this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Turtle for your Python in VS Code. So in order to start, first go to your terminal window, and then from here you need to type in pip install, and then you need to type in Python with the P capital, and then Turtle with the T capital. Then once you have done this, simply hit the enter button and wait for the process. And here you can see that the installation has been started, and here you can see that the downloading is also in progress. And with this message you can see that the Python Turtle 0.3.2 has been successfully installed in our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.